Hello, and welcome to the Biology End of Year Review. I hope you really like that trailer because it took me a lot of work. Alright, we're going to be starting off with characteristics of viruses. The first part of the virus structure that we're going to be talking about today is the capsid. The capsid is mainly located at the top of the virus near the head, and that is the outer layer protein coat. The second part of the virus is located near the top of the head as well, and that is going to be the core, and that is mainly for DNA and RNA. Third is going to be the envelope, and that is the membrane that surrounds the capsid of some viruses. Just remember, it's not going to be all of them. As well as the tail fibers, and that is mainly for the cell they invade so they can stick on it. Another fun thing that you need to remember along with their structure is that viruses are considered non-living organisms. They do not hold the qualities they need to live on their own, such as reproducing on their own. A virus depends on the cell that they invade to thrive and multiply and reproduce as well. Before we continue, we have to cover that there are 3 stages of viral replication. There's attachment, entry, and the 2 cycles, lysogenic and lytic, and we're going to cover those 2 cycles in just a minute. Now first we have attachment. Viruses are specific. They can only attach to a specific cell of a specific species of an organism. I know that sounds confusing. With entry, there's viral genetic information that is injected into the host cell and is inserted into the host cell's DNA, and this provides for the potential mutation. The next thing we are going to be talking about is what is bacteriophage. Bacteriophage is a virus that parasitizes a bacterium by infecting it and reproducing inside it. This simply means that bacteriophage is a virus that can simply invade a cell. This can speed up evolution by transporting genes. The next topic that we're going to be covering today is the viral life cycles. Now there are 2 cycles. There's the lysogenic cycle and the lytic cycle. First, we're going to be talking about the lytic cycle. The lytic cycle has viral genes expressed as cell transcribes and translates its own DNA. Viral DNA takes over and new viruses are made, using all available resources. Newly made viruses burst from cell to cell, killing the host cell, as well as having new viruses can infect other cells. The second cycle that we are going to be covering is the lysogenic cycle. Viral DNA does not take over the cell right away. This is in the incubation period. The cell functions and replicates normally. Since the viral DNA is incorporated with host DNA, with each daughter cell it contains viral DNA. Once the virus is activated, it enters the lytic cycle.
The smallpox virus was first discovered in 1796. It is caused by an infection in the variola virus. This virus can be transmitted directly from person to person or face-to-face contact. The next virus we are going to be talking about is the Zika virus. It is transmitted through mosquitoes and can cause fever, rashes, joint pain, birth defects, and red eyes. Symptoms are mild and can last less than a week. There is currently no vaccine for the virus, and 1 out of every 5 people end up getting the Zika virus. There are trillions of viruses throughout our body. In fact, some are not harmful. A virus is just a microorganism that can only reproduce in a living organism. A liter of seawater contains 100 billion viruses.
Amanda, that fish looks like you!
HIV only has 10 genes. The smallest virus discovered only contains 2.
What's up? Hi, Miss Ball and Coach. How are you today?
Hey.
Alright, so we just wanted to say that video did take a lot, and we hope you liked it.
Yeah, you better like it. A lot of hard work in that video right there.
Smack you. We just wanted to say that we know the end of the year is over.
Thank the Lord.
And we love you. Well, I love you so much, and you taught us a lot with
Thanks
biology.
for being mean to me every single day.
Well, she doesn't think that. And we seriously appreciate you for everything you did for us, and we hope that this video is enough for you to show our appreciation and effort throughout this whole entire year. We love you!
Becca loves you.
We'll see you at the end. We'll see you next year.
No, we won't.
Hopefully
Cass,